welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Salesians celebrate St. Don Bosco's 209th birth anniversary. Meghalaya mourns the demise of Salseng Si Mara. KNUM to protest against personal interviews for government jobs. And 2 dead in Shillong Nongstong road accident. And now the news in detail. On August 16th, Salesians SDB commemorated the 209th birth anniversary of St. Don Bosco at Sunnyside, Upper Shillong. The event saw participation from novices, students of St. Paul's and St. Saviour's seminaries and various other groups who enjoyed a vibrant musical performance. Reverend Paul O. Lincott, former provincial, and Reverend Jeevan Lakra, vice provincial, were the chief guests. In his speech, Father Lakra highlighted Don Bosco's visionary impact on education and vocational training, noting his efforts to establish centers that equipped youth with skills for meaningful employment. The celebrations also extended to St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School and St. Dominic Higher Secondary School in Maukundeng, where students and faculty honored Don Bosco's legacy with their own observances.
Of what he was asked to do and what he wanted to become. And Don Bosco realized his dream because he was given a guide in the person of our Blessed Mother Mary. Dream, if you say, is something that comes in our mind, the ideas, involuntarily. And it is said that every person spends almost 2 hours of dreaming every night. But to realize one's dreams, we need to rise from our sleep. We need to wake up from our sleep. And Don Bosco did that. He realized his dream by acting. And he motivated himself. He decided to make his goal for working on taking care of the young people by deciding to study and decided to make sacrifices. Sacrifices are not very easy, but they are essential. Because to make our dreams come true, we need to decide. We had to chalk out a goal for us.
Vincent H. Pala, President of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, has conveyed his condolences to the family of Salseng C. Marak, the former Chief Minister of Meghalaya, who passed away on August 16th at Tura Civil Hospital at the age of 83. Marak, who served from 1993 to 1998, was the first to hold the Chief Minister's office for a full 5-year term, a significant shift from the part-time appointments of his predecessors. He was a prominent leader from the Resubelpara constituency, where he last won an election in 2013. MPCC leaders and members are expected to attend his last rites at his residence in Resubelpara, North Garo Hills district. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma also extended his condolences, acknowledging Marak's influential role in Garo Hills and his lasting impact on Meghalaya's political landscape.
We got a news today in the morning that Salseng Marak, SC Marak is no more, and we are shocked actually. Today, before we started the meeting also, we express our condolences to the family as a team, as a party. We are sending the message to the family. But on behalf of the party and on behalf of myself, I would like to express my condolence to the entire family. Salseng was a chief minister. Salseng was president of the party. Salseng was always in the minds and hearts of the Congress workers. So his death has sent a shock to all of us. We missed him, but we hope that God will grace a solemn for him, and at the same time, their family also will be able to bear the losses. I am going tomorrow, and all of us today who are ready to go, are free to go, will go. So Devara already gone. One Sukhsem is going now after some times. So many of us will go for his funeral. Thank you.
We heard the news today of the demise of former Chief Minister, late Salseng Marak, and this news has come as a shock, and also we are deeply saddened by this particular news, and it is definitely a great loss to the family members of late Salseng Marak, to his people, and it is also a great loss to the state as a whole. Mr. Salseng Marak has served for a full 5-year term as the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, but beyond that also in many positions and different capacity he has served the people of his constituency and the people of the state, and it's been, as I said, a great loss to the state, as he has contributed in many ways to the people and to the state as a whole. At this point in time, I would like to express my deepest condolences to the bereaved family members, and pray to Almighty that He may give strength to the family members and to His people to bear this great loss that they have had, and I pray to Almighty that His soul may rest in eternal peace.
The KNUM has announced a one-day protest on August 19th following their continued demand to abolish personal interviews for first-time government employment. The state government has expressed skepticism towards this request, which has been ongoing since the MDA-1 government. On August 16th, KNUM leaders, including Working President Thomas Pasa, held a press conference at the Shillong Press Club. Pasa argued that personal interviews contribute to illegal recruitment practices and deter youth from focusing on education, as parents often resort to political influence for job placements. The party is urging youth to join the protest to address these concerns and promote merit-based recruitment practices.
Len ba kacing tap kam tu kababun hi kadai lemah jo kalau mikmat ki jongi hi ba ki tap kam tu man yo yang kata vote bank politics man le vote bank politics ya kata baru ni ati undang kam su an pensisa baru itu dia kata ti nak kalian macam ni kacing terang di dalam hawai ba ai kan long kata kacing tap kam ba khoi tu semua kijing ya ka di skill ba kan coba MPS lagi lepas sekian yang saya kalang lalang ban sute lakam dia Henry larakum tu halak kerja biasa mutul ki hapo assembly dago burang nam tu ini yo assembly lagi pan ni kalis jo ki dokter ki babu nak ki kamuan bakal man prosedur bakal ko kerja si sata ni mula boleh bagi babu kita nak sokar mau kita dibayokam kikemen harai mau kikemen kita dibayokam ini kita dibayokam lembaga jum kata lenti bapak kelak lah mendeta 100% anleten yo kita 100% tambah bahar 100% katanya ka dega bapak kelak jur bak ya kam ini kuat ba ai kan lo ko ko semua kan dari saya kenapa kecil mentoy keluar saya ba kapalu karena dilihat kan nanti kaji mentoy kan wan misalkan departemen kemarin itu bah lada kan departemen kayo itu efisien moga efisien club itu untri minat untri bah unlong ka aset ya ke departemen pada departemen lu kan terima Henry lada ni sudah tap kam klaim dah Peit kita jinukam iba ide Peit telesi ki departemen jogi kendang
On August 15th, two individuals died in a collision on the Shillong Nongstoin Road in Latjem around 5 p.m. The victims, Stevenson Linthong, 38 years of Dumdum Nong Thamai, and John Marwin, 46 years of Sunny Hill, Shillong, were riding a scooty ML05R4579 when it collided with a truck ML05AB5833. Maungap police station officers promptly arrived at the scene to investigate the accident. The cause of the collision is still under investigation as authorities work to determine the circumstances surrounding the tragic incident.
Yes, come on, Pak, come on. Hah? Nah, pilih komputer ini.
Dia jalan nasi Mesir ya. Ali, jangan. Skuti kan wala ada. Tay đi phải tay lại xử lý
Oh, duduk jam di bawah motor.
Ini là sự sân khay. Vì sân khay nga sami. Ramadan lu tidak jam.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.